Here we have PB6505MH that's having an issue about the rhythm volume. It has crackling sound and the rhythm volume is actually not functioning well. Even if I raise up the volume to the maximum level, it is only give a weak sound. And I have got the volume ready. I made the markings BR1 and BR6. Now I'm going to replace this volume, and I also replacing the gain volume because written volume for this model uses 1 mega ohms potentiometer. And in this video I am going to share it to you how to detach the main board, because in this video I actually having an difficulties removing the main board, because this is the first time that I working on this model that replacing the volume. And before you take out the volume, you need to remove the main board. And as you can see that I am having difficulties removing the output board. And actually this is not the correct way to remove the main board. And I am going to show it here what is the proper method to remove the main board. I'm really struggling removing this output board. Actually, the correct way is you have to remove all the wires connected to the main board, and then you must take out first the main board. Then after that, you have to take out the output board. At the last part of this video, it will gonna show it to you the correct way as I mentioned. Maybe you have the same model that planning to replace the volume, and this is the time, this is your chance to get some information how to disassemble this model 6505 MH PB. And finally I already take out the board, the main board. I'm using her high temperature soldering iron. I set it to 400. You need a high wattage soldering iron because this board is double-sided. At this time, I desolder the soldering lead to the terminal and then put soldering lead on the pins. While heating, I take out the volume. That is the easy way. But in the last part of the video, I am going to share it to you the other method to removing this control to the board. So I'm replacing this BR6, which is the rhythm volume. BR6 1 mega ohms. Similar, it has similar connection. The pins are similar. And I confirm that this is 1 mega ohms. I installed it, and first I soldered the terminal on the ground just to set this in place, sitting in place, and then after that I'm going to solder these pins. Done. And then cleaning. And then I'll go next to gain. So this is the another method how to remove the control to the board. I apply soldering lead and keep hitting on the pins while pulling out the control. You have to do it fast here, because if not, you are not going to make it. Control is out. Actually, this control has the same value. I don't know why the part number is different. I don't know. And this is VR1, 1 mega ohms also. Similar to the original. I am confirming the value and 1 mega ohms. The same method before. I solder the ground first and then the pins. Do the cleaning. This is the second part that I am struggling installing this board, because as you know that it is really difficult to install this. So I removed the resistor just to install it back this output board, because that resistor is making blockade on the main board to install it. I installed it properly, the output board, but the thing is I cannot solder it back while the output board is installed, because it's located from the inside. So I returned it back the resistor and trying again to install, but it's really can't make it. Let me show this to you what I am doing here so that you have an idea. And the next move is the correct way. So I removed this output board and try to unscrew that power switch pin, but I think that it's detachable, but it's not. So this is the correct way. So I removed the wire connected to the main board, assuming that the output board is connected to the body. So you have to remove first all these wires connected to the main board. Don't worry about the connection of the wire, because it has markings or it has label. Main board is out. I return back the output board and then install the main board. On this part, I am having difficulties, but actually this is the correct way. The only thing is the alignment. You need patience on this model. more patient. Patience, I mean, sorry. And here it is, finally. I installed back the board. And as I said, it has markings or labeling, like for the color of the wire. The only thing here, because some of the wire have the same color, but later on I will gonna show it how I check those wires by using the digital tester. But it's only a few wires. So I connected the orange wire and the rest of the wire. Now I'm checking the connection. If the beep sounds, if you heard that, meaning it is connected where it's supposed to be. So this one is for the standby. Yes, for the standby connection, standby switch. And the other line is there and on. Yes, yes. So our connection is correct. I'm double checking this because the wire is the same color, red. And let me check again this. Yes, standby is connected properly. We get the correct connection of the standby switch connection, the wire connection. Good thing that I make a marking on this connector 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Almost all the wires are connected. So my advice here is you're having the same model. First, take out the wires, all the wires connected to the board, and then you can remove now the mainboard. I also share this to you, the connection, double checking, power switch connection, standby switch connection, and as I mentioned, the labeling on the board, orange, orange, brown, ground, blue, violet, yellow. We have 3 yellow here, and for the ground line, it has green and black, black, red, sorry, red for the plate, and red for the standby. So we're all good here. Alright guys, hope you have some idea on this video, and if you're new to our channel, thank you for visiting our channel. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell icon so that you will get updated on our next video. If you have some question, please leave your comment down below, and we'll see you on our next video. Testing. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless us.